Hey, it's Chris. So, if you're doing any wheel building or wheel trimming job in your workshop, this is a compulsory tool, a wheel centering gauge. Okay, let's take a look at it. Unior's wheel centering gauge is made from construction and stainless steel for years of use. Sliders are made from PE polyethylene. Sliders can be moved to fit rims from 16 inches to 29 inches. The tool can be used on wheels not fitted or fitted with a tire. Start by measuring one side of the wheel, making sure both sliders are perfectly resting on the rim. Unlock the dial and place the indicator on the hub's lock nut. Once in position, lock the dial. If the hub's axle is 12 mm, 15 mm or 20 mm wide, the indicator should rest on the edge of the axle. Once you've taken the first measurement, flip the wheel to the other side. Place the sliders on the rim and take a closer look to the indicator. If the rim is perfectly centered, the indicator comes in perfect contact with the lock nut and both sliders are in perfect contact with the rim. The rim is not centered with the hub if the indicator doesn't come in contact with the lock nut when the sliders are in contact with the rim. Also, the rim is not centered with the hub if the indicator is in contact with the lock nut, but the sliders are not in contact with the rim. Exactly like with the previous example, you will need to recenter the rim with the hub. Durable, simple, and effective. That's what I like about this tool. Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.